Being prepared for winter driving is crucial due to hazardous conditions like snow, ice, and reduced visibility. Adequate preparation with proper tires, emergency supplies, and vehicle maintenance enhances safety, reduces the risk of accidents, and ensures your ability to handle unexpected challenges on winter roads. 1. Check antifreeze levels and top off. Depending on where you live, you may need more of a mix than just 50-50 antifreeze. However, with a 50-50 mix, your hyrdrometer should read between -30 and -35 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Install winter tires. Getting the right kind of winter tire depends on your terrain. Consult with a tire store to see what works best in your area. 3. Inspect battery and replace if needed. Doing a load test is the best way to determine a good battery. You should always do a charging system test as well. 4. Replace windshield wipers. There are a few different types of wiper blades. Ensure you get the best type for your area and weather conditions. 5. Pack an emergency kit with blankets, flashlight, first aid, and non-perishable snacks. You can put together your own kit, but buying a ready-made kit is just as cheap and accurate. 6. Verify oil and brake fluid. For cars that are a little older, you might consider running a thinner oil during the winter. 7. Maintain tire pressure. Despite the popular belief of running your tire pressure low for the winter, it is best to keep your tires at the recommended factory pressures. 8. Keep fuel tank full. Even though it is more expensive, it is better to run a higher octane or 100% real gas during the winter. It also doesn't hurt to add winter fuel additives to keep the gas from freezing. 9. Test heater and defroster. Ensure that the fan blows on all speeds and out all the vents that are selected. It is just as important to ensure the AC works in the winter, as it works the best in clearing fogged windshields. 10. Inspect lights and signals. Get a buddy to walk around your vehicle while you operate all the lights, including the emergency flashers.